Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling my very disordered laundry room. So we are going to quickly take a look at what it looks like and then we are going to get started. I'm extra excited because today's video is in collaboration with Reema from WorkItMamas Lifestyle Vlogs. And let me tell you, she is just the best. She is a part-time work from home mom to 5 under the age of 14 and they live in Michigan. She's been married to her husband Craig for 5 years and they have a blended family where she has one stepson. Her videos are all about cleaning, organizing, cooking, healthy living, and decor. So make sure you check her out after you're done here and let her know that I sent you. Okay, there are no windows actually in the laundry room, so we are going with the very yellow, very artificial light, and I apologize for that. But I wanted to give you a look at our before. So up here we have all of the actual products that we use. I have some bins here that I'm going to use to organize, and then I've got some stuff on top of the dryer that needs to be picked up. I've got a whole bunch of stuff that kind of got thrown in here when I was cleaning out another closet, and these are the hanging things that I got. I apologize, this room is extremely small, so angles wise we're gonna have to work with what we have. I also have a vacuum and the shampooer in here. Today we are starting off by clearing everything out of the laundry room. This is going to give me a blank slate and to begin cleaning and organizing. For some reason, my laundry room tends to become a catch-all for all sorts of junk that doesn't belong in here. Tell me down below, what area of your home tends to collect junk? I'm really hoping that cleaning it out today will prevent me from continuing to just throw whatever in here. I also really want to redo this space and add a cabinet and some floating shelves in the very near future. So keep an eye out for a video on that. I really love these drying racks. When they're not in use, they collapse completely to be flat up against the wall. They are so functional, especially for a small laundry room like mine. I picked these ones up at Pottery Barn. They are a little bit pricey, but I will also link something similar down below that's more affordable.
Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Now that the room has been completely cleaned out, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the floors with my Dyson handheld vacuum. I'm getting in all the cracks and picking up all the lint and dust. It always amazes me how quickly a laundry room can get dusty, but I guess that's just the nature of the room.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty.
I'm also moving the dryer out to be able to clean behind it. This was long overdue. There was so much lint and dust as well as hangers and socks that got caught back there. I would like to do the same thing behind the washer as well, but it's actually in this draining thing that prevents me from being able to slide it around and move it, so I'll need my husband to help me lift it to be able to get back there. But while I am back here, I'm also going to vacuum out the vent that the dryer hose attaches to. This will be able to make sure that the dryer isn't working too hard and is drying our clothes even better than before.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it.
And now that the dryer is back in place, we're going to move on to cleaning the shelves. Quickly, I'm going to grab some Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and a microfiber cloth, and we are going to spray down that shelf and wipe it down. Using the same spray, I'm cleaning the washer and dryer, making sure there's no dust or anything.
I've got nothing else but you on my mind. We got plenty, plenty, plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time.
And since the top of the washing machine is glass, I am using a glass cleaner from Sprayway to use it. I've mentioned this in plenty of videos before. It is my go-to glass cleaner. It just works really well. I've always been looking for a alternative, but for now I still have some of this, so this is what I'm using.
Wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like
With everything nice and clean, it's time to return everything that actually belongs in here to its place. Starting off with the detergent and fabric softener, I'm just going to place them directly on the shelf. These are the two items I obviously use the most frequently, so I do not want to put them inside of a basket. The rest of the supplies, however, I'm going to place inside these striped baskets that you saw at the beginning of the video, to keep them organized as well as make it more aesthetically pleasing to the eye when you walk into the room.
For some dollars to keep me going, I try to act like a superstar.
so excited because I actually had room on the shelf to store the laundry baskets instead of leaving them on the floor. This honestly made my whole day. And now I'm just finishing up by vacuuming, and I'm going to also steam mop the floor. I can't even put into words how much I love the steam mop that I got. It's lightweight, and more importantly, it works so well. If you don't have a steam mop, I highly encourage you to grab one and try it. I am debating if I want to use it on our laminate floors because I haven't yet, but I've done a bunch of research and it's like split between if it's safe and won't harm your floors or it will damage them very quickly. So I really don't know what the right decision is. Tell me down below, what would you do? Would you use the steam mop on the laminate floors?
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky.
And that's it, we're all done. Let's take a quick look at what we had before because it makes the after that much more satisfying.
I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper.
I am so glad that I ended up doing this today. Make sure you check out Reema's video as well and tell her I sent you. I promise you guys will not be disappointed. Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of little one right here. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found it motivating and it helps you tackle a mess in your home. If you did like this, please hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a future video. See you in the next one. Bye!
Don't wanna be shy.